So the idea for the musical dates back to the 70s, when I spent my time in sixth form writing musicals for my school.
We humans loved by singing his music. He seemed to find it was quite therapeutic.
They said they liked what I wrote,
But not every song was successful in floating our boat.
I wanted to write one about teenagers. Football was key for me, so using a tune I wrote lyrics. Here's how it might have been. Football is our teenage scripture, every match a five-star fixture, and we were so inspired. Jules remains so freshly gleaming, Banks and Moore and Charlton screaming, shots we will